Hello, everybody. It is I, Orbem Order, of the Orbem of Order, and the Order of Orbem. You get it. How's it going? Welcome. Happy Friday Eve. Aw, man, how exciting. We are so close to Friday. I have done a teeny bit of work on the game off stream. So, don't worry about it. Badoo. Badoo. I am going to have to jump out of stream for a few seconds, maybe a couple times. Get the dogs back in. But that's alright. You don't care. Alright, let's get the category going early, since I remembered early. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see if they added my game. Escape to Orbem. No. What about... what was the old name? It was Orbem Explorer. Oh shit, they added it! Damn. They actually added my game. Orbem Explorer. That's crazy. Look. I have to submit the new name. That's kind of cool. Whatever. Let's do it. We're going to go off of the old name for now. Cool. That's fun. Good to know that the game submission... wait, does that mean that YouTube has it too? Shit. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Can I add... wait, oh, to customization? Is that what it is? I thought you could change shit. Oh, show more. Here we go. Down here. Here we go. Orbem Explore. No, see, they still don't have it. They don't have shit. I thought they used the same list, YouTube and Twitch. So that's interesting. Cool. I have to remember how I did that. I don't remember how I did that. So, whatever. We'll get it in there. I probably shouldn't be using that now that I think about it, since it is the wrong name. Let's change that real quick. Oh, it looks like it didn't work anyways. It didn't save. Oh, did I not click save? No, I didn't. I'm an idiot. Well, whatever. I guess I never used the wrong one. There we go. Now it's saved. Near it. Alright, let's check it out. The final map. It shouldn't be letting me punch, by the way. Oh yeah, this looks like a full map now, huh? Start here. They're walking around their random offices. Tells me to read the sign. Cool. I actually thought about it. I might open up their rooms. Put some doors here. and signs. I might do that. I mean, I think it might be a little annoying having 3 wandering NPCs walking around the entire map. But I also considered creating NPC blockers, like specific walls just for NPCs. Like it doesn't affect me, but whatever. I think this is fine. For now, this is fine. I still might open up the walls though, because like you can go in hers. And if I do that, I was thinking about also maybe making some of the items interactable. Like, make the robots interactable, so if I punch them, like, it'll break. And I can break their machines. Hey, TDM Gamer! What up? Welcome to the party! Happy Friday Eve! How's it going, bud? So, that's good, that's good. My office is good. I need to add a shadow underneath that box icon. And, Salverson's looking good. Standing tall. Oh shit. I'm local right now. Why am I in the local? Hold, please. Me? Oh, thank you. Alright. Cool. Skip. This looks good. I just need to go check out the,
I wonder what that sign says.
Good idea. Let's check out this sign. Yeah, it looks great.
Hey Graham, I heard a...
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need this now that...
Alright, thanks for the $50, Carol.
What was I doing?
Alright, 1 second. I gotta get the dogs. You're Noob? Oh, hey, Noob. Alright. Sorry about that. Hey, thanks for the hearts. I'm gonna have to get up one more time because there's still a dog outside, and there he is. 1 second. God damn it. free fare. What's that?
Guess
Here we go. Yep. I think the break room is looking pretty good. So I need to add a bunch of... So I think this area is good to go. Got the fridge right here. Free fire play. I don't know what that is. I need to add some shadowing actually. No, I think. Let's do that real quick. Doop 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 doo. Let's do it under, I don't know. Right here. I just keep adding random layers with shadows. Nope. This needs to be under the fridge. Where is the fridge? Oh, I think it's over here. Let's go here. Whoop. Nope, that's still above. Gosh darn it. Let's go down here. Oh, vending machine. Found it. I called it vending and not fridge. Yep, that shadow's pretty good. And then let's actually need to make this a little bit less. And then we need to do some for the tables. Oh, look, this is above the table. Where the fuck is everything? How is this above the... Let's try it way down here. There we go. There we go. Shadow under the table. And this is shadow under the table. Yes, we are creating depth, the likes of which you have never seen. Wow, depth. Alright, there we go. Whoosh better. Let's actually do it for these little items too. It definitely helps. I need to find the table actually. Table? Found it. Let's do it above the table but under the items. Yep. Perfectos. Hey, Car Squad! It's you! Alright. Oh yeah. Good shadowing. And I don't think the sink needs anything because it's inset. So I think that's fine. Yeah. There we go. That's looking a lot more natch with the shadows now. Yeah, I think this is done. Let's double check I didn't miss anything. Shadows on everything in here. Shadows on everything in here. Shadows here, shadows there. Shadows everywhere. Alright. Today I told my crush I like them, and they might like me back. Oh, hell yeah! Congratulations, Car Squad. That took some real guts. Proud of you. Alright, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna make doors here. I gotta do it. I'm already here. I just gotta do it. I gotta let them walk around. That means I need to change the actual stuff as well. Gotta go. Alright, see you, Car Squad. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Where's the glass walls? Glass walls. Front doors. Glass walls. So we're gonna need to do... I don't even know how big. From like here to here. So that's what I'm doing door size wise. Okay. And we could do something like that. Cool. Let's do the same thing over here. Something like that. And let's get some of these bad boys. What is this? Yeah, these. I need some of these. Give me one of these. Give me one of these. And one over here. Okay. Uh-huh. That's looking pretty center. And now let's do one of these. Wait, is this the... No. Is it this one? Yeah, okay. Let's merge. There we go. Why are they the wrong size? That's kind of weird, huh? Does that mean these glass bowls are bigger? Hold on. Why are you the wrong size? That's really weird. Huh. Uh-huh. I guess something more like that, right? With the stroke, it should work. All right. See you later, TDM noob. Thanks for jumping on. Yeah, I guess these are just different sizes. All right. I mean, that's close enough, I guess. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. Good. Now we have 2 more doors open. Now all we need to do is export this. And then we have to update the SVG and get rid of the walls for that one. I'm thinking about maybe just deleting the SVG, but I don't know. Maybe. Maybe just starting over and not using the SVG altogether. I think I'm going to do that. I want to change my office too a little bit. Replace. And let's save this and call it a day. Yes, you look great, Salverson. Cool. Sights down. That's pretty dumb. That it can't handle me uploading pictures. Just little pictures. I mean, they're large pictures, but like just one, you know? It's not like I'm bombarding the server. Getting pretty sick of that song. If only I could figure out a way to get more keys. I could buy a new one. I thought the 22 key would be good. I mean, it has been good enough for me just like writing stuff, but like for playing, it's not enough just to want to play. I mean, maybe if I had like a 46 key. What kind of M audio sizes do they have? M audio MIDI keyboard. So they have a 49 key. Like that would be awesome. Honestly, even the 32 key. Like here's a 32 key mini. But I have a 22 key, don't I? Do I actually have 32 or 22? 12, 14, 15, 18? I have a 19 key. What? Oh, maybe they're kind of the black keys. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 32. Oh. I've been calling it a 22 key. Yeah, see, I have the 32. So 32 is not enough. 49 might not even be enough. Ooh, they have an 88 key. Fun. 61 key. I mean, if I'm going to get a 61 key, I might as well just get the 88 key. I have an 88 key keyboard. I just can't use it because it's a weighted key Yamaha, like basically digital grand piano. And it doesn't hook up. I could get a connection though. Probably. Yeah, I mean, these are kind of expensive. I might just get the connection. Just get a MIDI adapter and just use my 88 key. Feels better. Alright, let's update this. Again! Alright, now this is solid. And now let's remove this. So now that's gone. That is updated. So now I technically should be able to walk everywhere. Yep. That means so can...
Guess I should...
So can the NPC. So they're going to be wandering around. Alright, let's do some walls. Oh, you know what I forgot to do for the wall mode? I was going to have it zoom out. I completely forgot about that. But you can also just zoom out if you want to. So here's how it goes. The walls are going to be... I mean, I don't have to go all the way out. I can just literally follow the walls. So let's just go above and beyond. Oh shit. Oh, it did work. Oh, it's because I was trying to go the other way. My bad. Okay, so that wall is shot. I'm gonna have to delete that. That is one problem. You can't like undo. So let's do a wall here. There's a wall. Let's do whatever. I'll redo this one. A wall here. They're just walking around randomly now. Let's do a wall here. So you cannot go beyond this door. Alright. Let's do a wall here to separate shit. And we'll do it kind of smaller so I can walk into it. Let's make sure these walls are not... You're not able to walk here. How far did I want to go up? Something like that. I think something like that. Yeah, we can do it like that. And then we need to do one here. And one here. And one here. Basically just following these lines. Let's zoom in. At least I know zooming out works. And then let's do one here. And one here. And one here. Cool. What else we got? Oh, we need to do it here too. Something like that. I'm gonna have to move that up a little bit. And then we need to go here. And here. See, creating walls now is so easy. And then we'll do here. Just in case you try to walk down. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, let me do her chair area too. Something like here. And then a little bit on the top of the chair. Cool. And now we have to do my office. Let's do that. So for my office, I don't want you to be able to walk on the desk. So maybe something like that. Also this box, I want you to be able to walk in front of it, but not on top of it. So it's gonna be like this. Same for this box. Which is basically just sectioning off this whole area. So that's good, you can't get stuck there now. And now this box as well. You should be able to walk in front of it. But only a little bit. And this whole thing can get blocked off. Okay. That's a little bit more natch. So I can walk in here. Collect that. You know, I can walk in front of the box. Like, that's normal. You should be able to walk in front of things. But I can't walk through it. Also natural. Can't walk through that. Can't walk through that. Oh, I messed up the desks though. I need to be able to walk in front of it. So it should be much smaller. Alright, let's turn this off. And let's move... Actually, yeah. Let's just tighten this up a little bit. Let's turn on God mode so I can walk through shit. And let's just start getting things more in line. So that's fine. This needs to be moved up a little bit. Alright, that looks good. That looks good. This needs to be moved up. Cool. That looks good. Looks like we cornered everybody off again properly. That looks good. It's a little bit forward. Yeah, that's good. Same with this one. Perfect. And I'm gonna have to test some of these out. Oh yeah, I gotta do the bullshit. So I wanna delete this one real quick. So, which wall? The walls are really hard to figure out. Oh, that's right. They don't show up right away. Forgot about that. That's fine. I can delete that later. What is this? Why is this like this? Uh-oh. What did I do? Why is everything moved? Oh shit. Everything is completely out of whack. Oh no. Why? What did I do? Is it because I did this? What did I do? I'm confused. Hold on. Let me refresh. No, see, everything's correct. That was weird. All the lines moved. Huh. That is really weird. I wonder why that happened. Okay, so that looks pretty natch. See, that's too high. This needs to go down. I need to be on the floor still. There we go. Well, that's more natural. And then I go through the door. Good to go. I can walk this far up. Yeah, that looks good.
What was I doing again?
Oh yeah, I wanted to change the height on this table. So all these should be here now. I still don't know which is which, but I can figure it out real quick. So if I use my pinpoint, I can check the top position, 2940. So that would mean there should be one that's close to 2940. 2940. I think. Oh shit. So yeah, it's when I clicked that, it completely changed its position. Like everything's position changed. That's so weird. Alright, I'm gonna have to fix that. It was the right one though, so that's good. Oh, now look, it's wrong now. Wait, why is everything wrong now? What the fuck? I'm so confused. Why did everything shift? Why would it shift? That's weird because it did it before, but I refreshed and it didn't actually save. Shit. Why did everything move? Because I clicked this? Why is everything moved? Huh? Where am I? What wall is this? Alright. Well, clicking this is obviously buggy. I will definitely have to fix that. Fun! Wait, what happened to God mode? Oh, this sucks. Well, I found one issue with doing all the walls by hand. Apparently they can fucking shift. That's awesome. Awesome. Are they shifting or is the background shifting? I shouldn't have been able to do that. Oh, did I already talk to him? I did, actually. Never mind. The blockade's gone. That's why. Let's try a fresh game. Okay, yeah, everything's fucked up. Awesome. Well, let's hide everything and just focus on the walls. That might help. Can't hide that apparently. I think that's good enough. Okay. So let's fix this shit. Oh. See, what the fuck? Everything's fucked up now. What did I do wrong? Am I still zoomed? No. It's like now everything is off. What happened? You know what? I gotta start from scratch. I'm really confused. I have no idea what happened with the walls. Something is seriously wrong, though. I don't know if it's because I created the walls while zoomed out. That seemed fine, though. That's why I'm really confused. Look. Now these are all off, too. No, see, it's seriously like the map has changed positions. Is it because I got rid of the SVG underneath? It's just, I didn't really notice it before. That would fucking suck. Because let's test that, actually. I can test that. So if I put the SVG back, it might actually push everything down a little bit. And that would be fucking annoying. In that case, I don't even know how to fix that. Because like I said, I want to give them the ability to add SVG code, but it shouldn't change the map position. Let's see if we can find it. No, not that one. Yeah, this one. Here we go. So if these signs go back in alignment, then we know the SVG code is to blame. Okay. It didn't load. What the fuck? Update. Uh-huh. Clear my cache? What the fuck? It's not changing. Alright. I'm so confused. I hope you realize I'm super confused. Wait, why do we have walls? I deleted all the walls. Okay, there's some cache going on. Because all the walls should be gone. What? Oh shit, were there multiple pages of walls? Oh, I'm so dumb. I think there was. I made so many. Okay. All the walls are gone now. Should be back to what the default was. Yeah. There it goes. Why would the walls change anything? Okay. I'm going to delete the SVG code and see if it fucks with the item's positioning. Or if it was just the walls. Because if it's the walls that are fucking with the item positioning, then I could do something about that, I guess. Because I didn't really think about it, but it's possible the walls are overlapping with the items. So it's like pushing them out of the way. Which it shouldn't be. They should be able to overlap. But I think we can test that. Alright, that's gone now. Let's see if all the areas, all the items move. Okay. Can he leave his office? Okay. So we're fresh. Now I'm gonna put on dev mode. And I'm gonna put on God mode. No touch. We don't have a map. And now I'm gonna try to make a wall and see if it sticks properly. Okay. Wall is there. Nothing crazy about it. It's there. This should not affect anything. I'm gonna refresh. Wall is still there. All the items are still the same. Let's go ahead and add some more walls. It's definitely going to be a lot easier once I'm in a level without explainers. I mean, I can hide them, but it's kind of hard to find them. I need to actually categorize the items in the finder list. That would be awesome. Because then I can go to the category like walls, or I can go to category explainers, you know, and then just hide the, and then maybe have a hide all button. That would be great. Definitely need to do that. All right, there's a wall. Let's try again. Let's grab another wall here. And actually, we can start right above my head. Because I'm not going to be walking there. Okay. Good. So let's refresh and make sure that all the items are in the right place. That wall's good. That wall's good. See, look, the explainer indicator looks a little high. That one looks fine. I wonder why this one's so high. I think the explainer's in the wrong spot. Okay, but all the walls that I made are good. Now, let's try one zoomed out. Because, honestly, I'm gonna need to be zoomed out for some of these walls. Because they're, like, really big, like this one here. So let's put dev mode on. Wall builder. And let's see what this does. Alright, there's one. Now, I'll turn this off. Let's zoom back in to 100%. And let's move this a little bit. Okay. Nothing crazy. So far, so good. Let's refresh, make sure it's there.
What was I doing again?
Nothing's shifted. Looks fine. Only thing I think now is if I clicked this wall, would it shift everything? Because I don't know why clicking does anything. Considering all it's supposed to do is scroll me to the position of the item. I don't know why it would move the item. Or fuck up the map. That makes no sense. But for the sake of testing, let's move this over here. Let's try it out. Ready, set, click. So this wall is definitely not in the right spot. Now what I'm guessing here is that this finder item, 3025 finder, let's explore wall ID F. Yeah. So I'm just guessing it's just not knowing where this shit is, which is really weird. But it thinks the wall is out here for some reason. So now, if I go back, will I be surprised where everything is? No, so far everything's still in the right place. Yeah, I don't know. Everything's in the right place still. Okay. I guess we'll keep making walls. Maybe I just made too many? I don't know. Huh. Well, let's do the outer walls first at least. Just so we don't lose anybody. Let's get in here. Alright, we got here. So now I'm really doing kind of what I did before. Making a bunch of walls. Let's cut me off right here. I think that's good. Let's cut her off here as well. Okay. And then right here. Alright. Leave everything alone. Turn this off. Now if I zoom back in, will everything get all fucked up again? No, everything's staying. Can I adjust this? Yep, that was fine. Looks like everything is in order. Can I even create a new one? I really don't know what the fuck happened before. Everything kind of went out of whack for no reason. I definitely don't want that happening to a user though. They would freak out if all their items shifted. That was a weird bug. Okay, we're pretty much good except for my office and like all the items in the offices. So let's go to like a natural height. Yeah, it's just kind of basically the top of this. That's okay. Do the same thing for him. Pretty natural right there. No shit. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I think the guy's a little shorter, so that might be too high. So that's good, that's good. Maybe I screwed it up by walking around, I don't know. That's as high as I want to go for this office. Yeah, probably like that. Okay. Let's stop there while we're ahead. Refresh and see where we're at. Well, that's not good. I'm in the wrong area. Seems like the wall's saved. So that's okay. That's weird that the coordinates didn't send me the right place though. Alright, so he's got his natural shit. His head, he's kind of small, isn't he? I might need to make him a little taller. Seems fine from afar, but yeah. Yeah, perspective-wise, we're doing pretty well. It seems like everything is in order. Can't go anywhere. Okay, cool. So now it seems like all I need... Oh, that's weird. How come the blockade's gone? I haven't even talked to him yet. That's not good. Need to figure that one out. Oh, actually, I can use the level select. I need to make that work. Currently, it starts you in a new game, regardless. I also need to make some new signs for these guys. I mean, I'm glad I opened them up and let them walk around. They're pretty slow, so you'll be able to tell that they're in their given offices if you want to walk around.
Hey, Graham.
Thanks,
Here.
Thanks, Carol, for the cash. Why are you guys why are their image boxes so big? Like, look how big that is. I think it's because of their breaking, like the way they break. I don't know. I guess technically I don't need the breaking image to be the exact same size. So, you know, if you break something, it can push you. Oh yeah, Edgar. Igor, sorry. WordPress game engine. And I am currently deving on some walls.
I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
So let's start adding some walls inside my office. Okay. Yeah, so I developed this whole game engine using WordPress. I made a plugin. It's the Orbem game engine. The OGE. And this is my wall builder mode. You basically just click this button when you're in dev mode, and now I can create walls. So I want to cut off perspective of like walking to the box to right there. So probably something like that. There we go. So now I can't walk into the box basically. So it's a lot more natural looking. We'll do the same thing for the desk. I want to be able to walk like up to the desk, but not through it. So we need to add a little bit to the corner, I think, because I should be able to walk around it. So maybe it should start like right. Oh no, I'm gonna be blocked by those boxes anyways, so probably right there is fine. Yeah, maybe something like right there. That should be pretty natch. There we go. So now I can't walk into the desk. I can walk around it. Can't walk through it. And then this box. Pretty much. Well, I can't walk into this. So let's see this box. We want to be able to walk up to it from like here. Probably something like this. Yep. And then this to this. Yeah, okay, so that's pretty much blocked off. And then I don't want to be able to walk through this. So we'll just do that. All right. This is good. I still have some pretty free mobility. Like I could still walk around all these objects. You get the good sense of depth and height. But it blocks you off in all the right spots. So I'm still like in the foreground of items. That's just something you don't think about. So now here I just have to basically block myself off completely. But I don't have to make anything too big. So that'll do. There you go. Good to go. So that office is done. Carol's office, I need to add some. Let's do that. So we can't walk past her chair. Let's do something like that. And then, I mean, obviously this whole area is going to be blocked off by the plant. So that doesn't matter. Though when I break the plant, I can go through it. So let's actually make sure that's sectioned off. Same for this plant. I'll be able to walk in front of the desk like that. That's too high, so let's go a little bit lower. Something like that. There we go. Cool. Nothing else really matters. She doesn't have anything else in our office. I should probably add more things to her office. Everybody else kind of has a buttload of stuff. Alright, let's do their offices. Ooh, they're kissing. Woo! Hey guys, get a room. Oh my god, why all three of you are hanging out in here? Freaks. Alright, let's do the same thing to his chair. Just kind of cut off right here. Same thing for the desk. We don't want him to be able to walk past here. So something like that. Cool. Natch. Walk here. Can't walk through the desk. Okay, cool. And his robot. I want to be able to walk in front of it. So let's just kind of cut off this top bit. And I might want to move that a little bit up. Yeah, let's do that. Turn that off and let's move this up a little bit. Yeah, I think that's cool. Because then you can walk in front of it. You can walk around it. Alright. And last but not least, let's do his office. So that's pretty good. Can't walk through the papers. So let's block off these papers. Should be able to walk maybe through that, like that. And then let's cut off the desk per usual. Probably a little lower. Oh shoot, sorry. Maybe something like that. Good. And the chair. Good. And let's do this. I don't mind being able to walk like there. Maybe something like that. Let's turn this off and move it up a little bit. Alright, there we go. I don't like being able to walk there, but that's kind of like the platter, so I don't think it's that bad. Alright, cool. Solid. I think we're done. Okay, well, the wall building worked out. I don't know what happened that one time. I still think it's something about the actual, like, selector item I need to fix. But seems like now we're in a good position. My office is a lot more walkable. Everything's pretty natural. Oh, I didn't do this room. Whoops. One more. Alright. So, table-wise, I need to be able to walk here. But I won't be able to walk there. So maybe we can... I want to be able to walk here. So I don't want to, like, go crazy. Should be able to do like that. That's pretty natural. And then we'll do the same thing here. I think these are a little bit high. So I think I might give myself a little room and then move it down manually. Like this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I was a little worried about that. Let's move this one down a little bit. Let's do like that. Move this one up a little bit. It's fine. Alright, now let's do this. Can't do that, my bad. I keep forgetting. Alright. Something like that. Cool. Can't walk into the table. Ooh, we gotta move that over. I don't want to be able to walk around it a little bit more. Okay. How far? I did not space this room out properly. Wait, what the hell? Oh, shit. I must have added a wall by accident that's invisible. It's because I did that one wall, isn't it? Son of a bitch. Oh no, I have an invisible wall. Well, hopefully it didn't save. Alright, in the fridge, we don't want to be able to go past here. So let's add one right here. And that should be good enough. And this one's good. Can walk all the way to the coffee maker, the sink. There's an invisible wall right there, whatever. Can walk through the tables now. Fairly unencumbered. Can't walk past the damn chairs, but that's my fault. Alright. It's kind of a labyrinth in there, but better than nothing. Okay. Let's see. Do we have an invisible wall that I can get rid of? It's right like here. 1915. Yeah, so we have 1914, 1917. I don't know which one I created first, TBH, but I'm guessing it's this one. So let's see if that worked. So let's see if I can move this one. Oh yeah, it's that one. So that's good. Okay, so if it's this one, then let's edit that item and delete it. That's what the edit's for. Woo! Alright, cool. Alright. So I can now walk through there. This is looking pretty good. I can navigate the break room pretty easily. I don't think it matters if I can walk through there. Alright, cool.
Guess.
Yeah, it is weird that that blockade's gone. I might need to fix that. Because I remember seeing it before, but now it's gone. But his mission's still there, and the mission is for talking to him, so I don't know why. Alright. Okay. Now what we're going to do tomorrow, we are going to restart the game fresh. I'm going to play incognito right here. I'm going to go to Orbem.games. All of you at home can do the same. Orbem.games. I'm going to play a full round. And see what I come up with.
I wonder what that sign says.
I know there's a bunch of assets I need to fix. I need to fix my own punching graphic and stuff. I need to add animation graphics for all of them. And stuff.
What was I doing again?
I need to re-record all the talking shit.
Guess I should talk to my boss.
Let's see real quick if the blockade's there. Okay, well the blockade's there. So that's not broken. And it looks like cache cleared. Because I'm able to do all the walls and everything. So this is all working pretty well.
Hey Graham, I heard about you get
Thanks, Carol.
here. You're going to
Cutscene pictures are all working perfectly.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig.
Oh, hey, Grain. So, look, so sorry
I
about
also
your
need to add
project not
names.
working
I
out.
forgot. I want to
Don't
do that.
worry,
Sir, you know I was days away from sol-
Grain, unfortunately, no.
Cranston and Giles have been enough fun. You know they'd say anything too.
Don't forget the watermelon incident. There's just no way they'll agree to let
Meet me in my
meet
office.
me in my office.
Excuse me. Alright, cool. We're good. There are a handful of things I need to fix. I need to fix my own characters. Graphics and animations. I need to fix asset-wise. Functionality-wise, though, I think the game is good. I need to make a couple signs for Cranston and Giles' office. But that's pretty much it. Cool. Well, hey, Igor, thank you for jumping on, my friend. I hope you subscribed before you bailed out. If you're still watching, though, appreciate you jumping on and asking a sweet question like that. TDM Gamer, always a pleasure. Car Squad, you're a real one. Thanks for jumping on as well. And everybody watching in the future, hey, thank you. Hope you come and say hi in person one time. Love talking to you guys. And with that, I'll see you on Friday. Probably. Bye.